Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. I know this is like a raw video. Like you guys are literally seeing me the way I'm usually like appear 24/7. I really dressed up and I need to make a really fancy and beautiful story or video. But today like it's just real motherhood, and yeah, motherhood and rock and roll. So basically I'm actually pumping this morning and I said why not, let me just show you guys things that I have that I usually help me to pump some milk from my baby. So here is the one I just pumped. I already did one bag already in the fridge, but this is the second pump that I did today. So I got this beautiful, fabulous wearable breast pump. I have this tummy tippy on my baby registry and that one that you wear with a bra. But then I found this amazing wearable one, and my god, this is super gorgeous. This is so useful. This is so nice. It's very helpful. So I have this one. This one is called the Pipetal Pump. Yeah, Pipetal Pump. This is with the LED display. This is uh, that's just the name basically. So this is two. I have two pumps, but usually I bought one actually, and then I decided to buy a second one. So this is wearable. You just put this in your bra, and you just your hands are free and you can do whatever you want to do. So I'm gonna put the price of how much I got this one. I'm not very sure. I forgot. So this is very handy if you're looking into buy the breast pump as a new mom. This is very handy. This is very useful and very good. So this came basically just going to be like up, can I say unboxing. So this came exactly with the um pump motor. This is the engine. This is the collector. We have this collector. This is the collector. I like it so much. Like it can take as much as 250 mil, I guess. And then I have the other parts of the collector. This is the collector. And then I have this one, which I don't know what name. Let me just check through the manual and tell you what all these are called. Yeah, through the manual. And this is called the flamed breast shed. This is silicone. I like it, so it doesn't really it's not painful on your nipple. It's very soft and nipple friendly. Also it has this is it I'm trying to know what this is called. This is called the silicone diagraph. This helps to seal up this particular part. Actually, I don't know, but all of this, they're so good and I love them. I think it's retail for like £70 per one, but if you buy two together, there's a discount. I'm gonna link the link below so you guys will see, and you know link through if you really want to buy. This is called the um valve. It came like three of this because there's extra of this here. There's extra, and this is one more for the bottle. This also is called the linker. This is just one. It just came with different type of things just to make life easy. And it also come with a cord. It comes with a cord to charge it, like to charge the motor. So I really do like this pump so much. And you can buy two, but I initially bought one, and later I bought another um another is it another one later on. So this is actually how it came with. Everything you have inside here would help you pump your milk very easily. And I love one thing about it, it doesn't make so much noise. It the noise it makes is so minimal, like you can't even know that the person sitting next to you is pumping. So I love it, that the fact that it's always on the go. And these are the extra parts that came with the package. And one thing I love about this package is that it came with this syrup. I said syrup syringe that you can use to take cholesterol. When you have this first milk coming from your nipple, it's not always as when you want to expect for the first time as a new mom. I'm very sure you understand what I mean. But this helps to pick up cholesterol for your baby, which are very vital part of the breast milk while feeding baby. So I love the fact that it comes with syringe, and I love it because it's very small, very handy. It doesn't have to be very big. I love the engine that came with this. This is like, let me show you because I just found this is, yeah, it's very easy. Just the way it is. And this is the motor engine we use. And I love the fact that this all comes in different levels, where you can, fast, you can squeeze, you can just do friendly pumping, you can do, it has different setup. But I usually just use the first setting, which is very, like, I love it because it's not painful and it's very nice and it feels better. It's not as squeezing my nipple and squeezing all the milk inside. It's just very, breast milk is like demand and supply. The more you pump, the more you get more milk. And sometimes I'm not even in the mood. And when you start with pumping in the morning, like, let me just give you tips of how I pump. Like, I pump when I wake up in the morning, and I pump also at night when I'm about to go to bed. Sometimes, not every time, I do wake up around 2 or 3 to pump when I feel that my breasts are so full, and you know how, always messy, the bed sheet is wet and all of that. Or when my baby sleep all through the night and she didn't, feed, I would wake up very early, as much as like 4 a.m. to pump. And sometimes I do have like 500 meals. Yeah, 500 meals just in the morning. In a day, I could pump like 1,200 meals. Yeah, I'm going to attach a video of everything that I store in the fridge. And this is just like the 10th weeks no, this is like the 8th week I started pumping. And I really do not even pump like that. I only pump when I want to pump. And basically, that's just what I have with this unboxing. It's a quick unboxing, I know. I just said let me do this quickly for you guys. So if you're looking into buy a wearable pump, this is very, very nice, and it will do what you need. And also, I said I was going to share with you the bags that I use. I have this what's it called, Lancinol storage bag. I finished that one. Then I went to buy this one on Amazon. This is Nule. This is about 120 bags. I actually bought this one because it's more than enough for me. 120 bags. The last one that I finished was 60 bags. Yeah. And also, I usually use this disposable breast pad, which is from Lanceno as well. This is very effective. I love the fact that it is very wide and it just covers your nipple and your like all your breasts together. I mean, I like this breast pad so much. So also, I have this particular um one of my friend gave this to me. It's also called Mandela. This is a breast storage bag. It's so easy to use, very convenient to warm and store. So all of these bags that I'm showing you, they are very, very good. And one thing for effective um breast pumping and supplies when you need to express is that you really, really need to eat as much as you know that would fuel your body, for your body to be able to, supply more milk. So I would usually eat my food, not like I eat extra, but I would eat my normal food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and do some snacking about fruit. And also, I started using this what's it called, Vitabiotics pregnant care, but after pregnancy. I have this one for hair and skin, and I also have this one for extra vitamins, mineral, and calcium, vitamin D, omega, whatever. Everything is here. These are the things that I would use, and I'll eat a lot of fruits, and I'll eat my meal. So I'm going to be just showing you what I do with this one to store my milk. So I'm gonna store my milk today and put the dates down here. This is one of the bags that I'm gonna use. So because today is today's date, I'm gonna write today's date here. And I'm gonna store this one directly in the fridge, in the freezer. You can store your breast milk as long as 6 months, as far as it's frozen. So I'm just gonna store this one here. See, it's so easy to pour. I love it. And this is just, what time is it now? I think it's about 9 o'clock. And I'm still gonna pump later on. So I have this 180, 150 ml this morning. I already added one already from this particular breast. So all I have to do is to press out, or let the air go out, and then I seal. And I lay it flat in the freezer. I'm sure that's it. And I just make it flat down in the freezer. That's all I have to do. So basically that is all I have to show you in this video. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys find this helpful and informative basically. So I'll see you guys again if I have something to drop for you again about motherhood. Like I told you guys, motherhood is included in this channel. I mean on this channel. So just look forward to anything Bukola lifestyle, you know. And until then, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.